You're not broke because life is unfair. You're broke because of your habits. And deep down, you already know it. It's not your job, it's not your background, it's not your luck. It's what you do every single day. You wake up late, you scroll for hours, you avoid hard things, you chase comfort. And then you wonder, why am I still stuck? Let me be real with you. Comfort is expensive. Every hour you waste is a future you destroy. Rich people don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. And discipline is doing what you hate, but doing it like you love it. You don't need more time. You don't need more motivation. You need control. Start with this. Wake up earlier. Do hard things first. Cut distractions. Build one skill that makes money. Do this every day, even when you don't feel like it. Because if you don't change now, nothing will change later. You're either building your future or destroying it. And the worst part? No one is coming to save you. If this hit you, don't ignore it. Fix your life.